shout out for the Reds.
Alright, so good morning mga kabreds. For this vlog, I'm gonna go ahead and let you know how to maximize your Freedconn Intercom FX at ang iyong Insta360 1RS at 1X2. So right now, we are recording sa 1RS as the rider's POV sa style ng motovlogging. And you actually don't need to buy your external mic, adapter, tsaka the mic itself para makapag motovlog ka gamit ang Freedconn Intercom at tsaka ang Insta360 1RS. So we've actually paired both devices to each other. Sobrang easy lang. I'll go ahead and let you see kung paano ko siya pinair step by step. Let's go!
How you like it, but you just don't get it.
Alright, so ang unang gagawin natin is to set ang Freedconn FX sa pairing mode. We just need to press and hold the power button until makita natin ang red and blue flashing light, which is the pairing mode. Alright, and we're gonna jump to the Insta360 1RS. I-turn on lang natin yung device. Alright, once it's turned on, let's go ahead and go to settings. Sa settings, we're gonna scroll down to AirPods. Now, for the first time yung i-pair ang FX Intercom, you just need to select Connect to Other. Now, in this case kasi, connected na yung FX sa Insta360 1RS ko. Kaya it automatically paired up na. As you can see sa screen, katabi ng battery icon ang AirPods, which means it's fully connected na sa Freedconn FX.
Right, there you go. Sobrang dali lang i-pair ng Freedconn FX tsaka ng Insta360 1RS. Now, malaki rin yung matitipid nyo, to be honest, if you're not gonna buy the external mic adapter at tsaka yung mic nyo pang motovlog, either Purple Panda or Mic Pro, which are the two mics na recommended ko for motovlogging. So, libo-libo na rin yung masasave nyo if you're gonna do this setup. So, intercom lang, Bluetooth connected to the Insta360 1R. Now right now, yung mic na ginagamit natin will be the mic ng Freedconn Intercom with noise cancellation. So bubuksan natin yung visor ko. Yeah, nakabukas na yung visor ko. So wind noise, that's not gonna be an issue kasi merong built-in na pangtanggal ng wind noise ang Freedconn Intercom. So kahit nakabukas yung visor natin, solid na solid pa rin yung quality ng audio natin. Now with this kind of setup, there are few things to consider mga kabreds. Number one, if your intercom is already connected sa Insta360, either mapa 1X2 yan or 1RS, you're not able to use this for intercom purposes. Hindi ka makakapag-pair sa ibang intercom, hindi ka rin makakapag-play ng music. Now for phone calls, hindi rin. Kasi the intercom itself is already connected solely sa Insta360 lang. Another thing is battery life. Hindi nyo magiging problema ang battery life sa intercom nyo. Mas mabilis pang mauubos ang battery life ng action cam nyo bago ang intercom. So yan, kahit nakabukas yung visor natin, sobrang minimal lang talaga yung mapipick up ng mic na outside noise or even though yung tunog ng motor nyo, yung tunog ng motor na tunog ng ibang motor. Pakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano natin i-pair ang Freedconn FX at ang Insta360 1X2. Let's go!
Alright, so katulad kanina, we're gonna put the Freedconn FX sa pairing mode by pressing the power button until makita natin ang red and blue flashing light. Once pairing mode na sa Freedconn FX, we're gonna set that aside and we're gonna jump to the Insta360 1X2. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on the unit. Once it's turned on, swipe down tayo sa upper portion ng screen and then we're gonna select the AirPod icon. So obviously mga kabreds, we've already paired both devices already. Pero pagka first time pairing naman, automatically naman isa-search ni 1X2 si Freedconn FX. Paglabas ng FX, you just need to click on it. And then after a couple seconds, automatically siya naka-pair. And then once you press record, there will be a green banner sa top ng screen.
Alright, so right now we're connected to the Insta360 1X2. Kitang-kita nyo naman ngayon mga kabreds, naka-open yung visor natin. Same goes with the 1RS. Very minimal lang yung outside noise when doing this setup. Kahit ang takbo natin ay 80, 90, I'm sure very minimal lang yung wind noise when it comes to this speed. So let's go ahead and close down the visor. Check natin kung may difference sa audio. Right. So ay, Joe drive na tayo. Sobrang sarap talaga magmotor dito sa, anong tawag sa lugar na to? Sa Daang Hari. Yeah. Now, audio quality naman mga kabreds, this is very decent. Talagang malinaw na yung salita natin. Which is, when it comes to motovlogging, isa yan sa mga pinaka-importante eh. Maliban sa pakikinig ng music, pagsagot ng hands-free phone calls, pakipag-usap sa ibang Freedconn users via intercom connection, nadagdagan pa ng isa pang napakagandang benefit ang pagkakaroon ng Freedconn intercoms, which is itong ginagawa natin, the connection between Insta360 action cam, mapa 1X2 man yan or 1RS. So definitely owning a Freedconn intercoms, sobrang sulit. Price starts at 3,500 and itong model na ginagamit natin ngayon is 5,000 pesos. Right, so hopefully nagkaroon kayo ng magandang idea on how this works. Tapos naisip nyo na pwede pala yung ganitong setup by watching this video. So don't forget to like, share, and even subscribe sa YouTube channel natin mga kabreds. Would totally appreciate that. Sana meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Kung meron pa kayong mga idea na gusto nyong gawin natin, gawa natin ng video, just send me a message. Try natin gawin yan. Appreciate your time. Ride safe.